Today we'll talk about how can you disable Entertaiment alerts on your Vizio app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your Vizio app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just click down here, click here on account down here, and just click here on account. It's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do, just click here on notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to Entertaiment alerts. Just click here in this sign or this color here. Like you see color, it's gone. That's mean here Entertaiment alerts. It's disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do to disable it. I wish you I get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.